Hey, Dr. Crawford. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I came across one of your Facebook ads, and I thought I should reach out to you and get just show you a few tips that you guys can apply to get more patients and more of those organic leads to convert into patients. Your website should be like a virtual cash machine. Um, Nearly 70% of organic leads come from your website. So it is important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those leads and convert them into your new patients. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. You have separate locations, pages, which is awesome. Hopefully, each of these areas have their own keywords and that each of these pages have their own original content. Google does not like duplicated content. So every single page on your website has to be original content and have their own keywords. Um, Looks like you have separate pages for each service and technique. So that's perfect because each of those have their own keywords. So you definitely need separate pages. Let's see. So you have some funky stuff going on here. I'm not sure what those are for. Um, Upper Cumberland Chiropractor, that's good. Good information. And then I got some more of these number things going on and some whole bunch of funky stuff towards the bottom of your website with this Google. I'm imagining these are probably supposed to be reviews, but it's a whole lot of funky going on here. So this is not helping you, whatever this is not helping. Then it goes into your locations, which is great. That's helpful to know. And then it goes back into this funky Google stuff. So this stuff definitely needs to be corrected. It's definitely not going to help you, and it's definitely not going to convince patients that this is the clinic they want to go to. Um, so there's a lot of work that has to be done on this page just to kind of fix that stuff, this weird, funky stuff. Um, and then your website homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. Google likes content. That's how your website is ranked. And so you need a ton of content. All of this content should be focused around your local buyer intent keywords, patient intent keywords, what patients are actively searching for. And the thing is that they may not realize it's chiropractic. So, if they're have chronic pain, or they're pregnant and have back pain and have migraines and terms like that they might be searching to get help for. Those are the type of keywords you also need to be using, not just upper cervical or chiropractic in a specific area. So you want to think how your customers, your patients could be searching to get your services. And so all of your content needs to be built around those local keywords rather than national keywords. Because national keywords, although they're great and have high volume, those keywords are going to give you false metrics because you're going to get people on your website from all over the country that you can't help, and they're going to leave. So you do want to focus on those local keywords, making sure everything's original, and each page has their own original keywords specific to the location. That's just going to be really, really important for you guys. If we look at one of your top organic competitors, we have Gray Chiropractic. Their website is not great. It is not secure, which is very bad. And can have hackers, can give people viruses. Their brand and identity could be stolen. It could cost them thousands of dollars to fix. So definitely don't duplicate that. Let's see, they have pages here. They do have a ton. Okay, they have a ton of pages for their services and treatments. Got some content, but I'm not seeing much as far as local keyword usage. And realistically, most of your competitors in your area are not doing what they should to optimize. So it should be fairly easy for you to outrank just about any one of your competition. So in order to beat these guys, you have to have more content, better content, more keyword usage, and then support it with SEO, which is search engine optimization. So if we look here, you have a score of a 0.3 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. And that means Google is not trusting your website. That's 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. Not all of these are created equal. You need to make sure that they're authoritative links directly related to the services you're offering in your industry. And that they do follow links so they share the power of the high ranking sites and help you to rank. And then you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain. So anything else Google looks at as spam. Now if we look here, only 6 of yours are do follows. So you only have 6 relevant links that are doing anything remotely to help you. You have been indexed for over 255 keywords, but you're only getting about 111 people to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of potential by not having those various keywords and content and keyword strategy in place. If we look here, your brand is number 1 on Google, which is great, but the downside to that is those are also national keywords. So you're still going to get traffic from all over the country. It is more important to be focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Near me is a national term. Believe it or not, that's national. It is not a local. And so this is national traffic. Does not help you. And unfortunately, most of your visitors that are coming to your website are coming because of national key terms. So you definitely do need to focus on those local buyer intent keywords that are relevant to your patients, and then support that with SEO so that those backlinks can help you to rank these keywords to the first page of Google, and you can start converting those into new patients. Look at your competitor. They have a poor score. I mean, they have a 0.9 out of 100. They only have 19 backlinks, 10 referring domains. Only 3 of those are do follows. So you only have to beat 3 of their domains. They've got 45 keywords, but they're getting more than twice the traffic. And that's because of their keywords and the placement and how those keywords are ranking. But you guys are still missing out on a lot of potential, and there's patients actively looking for you right now. So it's really important you get this optimized. And the last part is going to be your Google My Business section. You are in the top 3, so that's perfect. Hopefully you are for each location, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not here, you sent all those new patients to your competition. And the most important factor in ranking in the top 3 here are citations, and that is simply listing your business name, address, phone number, and website in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Glassdoor. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow each of the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your treatments and therapies and services that you offer using those local keywords supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let us know what you thought of the video and give us a little bit of feedback. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at this number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.